Welcome to our showdown between TP-Link's Archer C7 and Archer 2300 routers. We'll compare their wireless capabilities, security features, hardware specifications, and software functionalities to help you make an informed decision. 1. Wireless. Both routers support Wi-Fi 5 standards, but the Archer 2300 offers faster AC2300 speeds compared to the AC1750 speeds of the Archer A7. While the Archer A7 features 3 fixed high-performance antennas, the Archer 2300 boasts 3 detachable high-performance antennas and beamforming technology, enhancing signal strength and coverage. The Archer 2300 also supports 3 MIMO and airtime fairness for improved network efficiency. 2. Security. Both routers provide robust network security with spy firewall, access control, and IP binding. However, the Archer 2300 takes it a step further with home care features, including antivirus protection, malicious site checker, and infected device isolation. Additionally, the Archer 2300 supports the latest EEPath3 encryption standard for enhanced security. 3. Hardware. The Archer 2300 is powered by a 1.8 GHz 64-bit dual-core CPU, offering superior processing power compared to the Qualcomm CPU in the Archer A7. It also features a USB 3.0 port in addition to the USB 2.0 port, supporting a wider range of partition formats and functions. The Archer 2300 further provides static link aggregation (lag) with 2 LAN ports for faster wired connections. 4. Software. Both routers support IP4 and IP6 protocols, offer parental controls, and allow for quality of service management. However, the Archer 2300 includes home care parental controls with custom profiles, content filtering, app blocking, and time scheduling features. It also offers advanced QoS by device and application. Additionally, the Archer 2300 supports a wider range of partition formats and functions for USB storage. In conclusion, while the Archer A7 offers solid performance and features, the Archer 2300 stands out with its superior hardware specifications and advanced home care security and parental control functionalities. Choose the Archer S7 for a reliable and budget-friendly option, or opt for the Archer 2300 for premium performance and comprehensive security features. Thank you for watching our comparison review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay connected.